Understanding the intricate dance of electricity within your home begins with recognizing the essential components involved in house wiring. The journey starts with the service panel, often referred to as the circuit breaker box, which acts as the heart of a home's electrical system. This control center distributes electricity throughout the house, protecting against overloads and short circuits with its array of circuit breakers or fuses that can be reset when tripped. Next in line are the wires themselves, crucial for carrying electrical current. They come in various types, including non-metallic sheath cable, NM, and conduit wiring, each serving specific purposes depending on the installation environment. NM cable is often utilized in dry areas, whereas conduit wiring is preferred in wet or exposed locations, ensuring durability and safety against environmental factors. The gauge of the wire, determining its thickness, is also vital. Thicker wires can handle more load, ensuring that your electrical system functions without a hitch. Moreover, electrical boxes are indispensable for housing electrical connections and protecting components from damage. They come in different materials like plastic and metal, tailored for indoor and outdoor use, respectively. These boxes provide stability when installing switches, outlets, or fixtures, ensuring that the connections are safe and secure from physical damage, which could lead to hazardous situations. Light switches and outlets are the most recognizable components of your home's wiring. They serve different functions but are equally important. Light switches allow you to control illumination, while outlets provide power to your devices. GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter outlets, are particularly important in areas like kitchens and bathrooms, as they protect against electrical shocks by shutting off power when needed, enhancing safety in potentially wet locations. Don't forget the role of grounding systems, which provide a path for excess electricity to safely dissipate into the ground, reducing the risk of electrocution or fires. Grounding rods, along with ground wires, are key components that safeguard your home's electrical system. Lastly, circuit breakers and fuses protect your wiring by interrupting power flow in case of faults, preventing overheating and potential fire hazards. Together, these components create a robust electrical system that powers our daily lives. A safe and efficient house wiring system is not just about functionality. It is about the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is secure and equipped to handle your electrical needs.